can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told them I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Disney travel series. We have got 14 nights in Disney's Pop Century on resort. It's one of the Disney value resorts. We picked it over any of the All-Stars simply because it's on the Skyline. So we can't wait to use the Skyline. I think we're going to use it a lot. So yeah, we're going for 14 nights. We're flying into Orlando International with BA. Our flight is at 12:05 and it is currently 6:34 in the morning. We're about 45 minutes from Heathrow, probably from here.
Maybe a bit longer this time of day.
Yeah, it might be a little bit longer this time of day. But we've got a meet and greet at the airport terminal. Oh, we just realised we left the butter there. Oh, I'll just leave it.
Oh, right.
Yeah, be fine. Be fine. Yes, we've got a meet and greet. And the other end, I've pre-booked the Mears transport, which is replacing the Disney Express, Disney Magical Express, because that finished in January. So we booked Mears. They were about the cheapest. We could have done Uber, an Uber XL, but just decided to go with Mears, really. So yeah, this is Trevor's first time staying on property. Last time we went, we stayed at the Red Lion, which is literally kind of 5 minutes from the Walt DisneyWorld sign. So it was nice and close, but last time we got married out there, before we did vlogging and stuff, we got married out there on Cocoa Beach. But yeah, we're all very excited. There will be a couple of little surprises thrown in along the way. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to see when we upload. I'm hoping to get the first video out in about a week's time, and then I'm going to post them probably on a Sunday evening, weekly on a Sunday evening. So there should be kind of 15, 16 vlogs coming your way. But yeah, we're all very excited. This was originally our October 2020 holiday. So this was booked way back in April 2019, I booked this.
Seems a long time ago now.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah, so of course that got cancelled. And we heard yesterday that Disney have lifted their mask policy as from today. So at the moment, masks are only mandatory on the monorail, Disney buses and the Skyline for fully vaccinated guests. And I'm guessing that includes children as well. Children are exempt, I'm guessing. When they last lifted their mask policy back in the summer, that was the case, that kiddies didn't have to wear them. So, but yeah, of course it's masks on the flight. So that'll be a change. We done the Verifly app. Pardon?
Mask on the plane.
Yeah, mask on the plane. We did our Verify app. I'll pop a little tutorial up in the corner, show you what it entails. It was quite easy. I downloaded it a few weeks ago. You have to upload a photo, confirm all your details, passport numbers, flight numbers, and then you have to upload your fit to fly certificate and your vaccine certificates, and sign your assertion, your sworn declaration. There we are. I can't say it. So we're all good to go. We won't need to be checked at the airport, apart from we're all checked in, but I couldn't get my boarding pass because I'm going to have extra checks.
You're dodgy.
I'm dodgy. So I've been selected for extra checks. So I've got to get my boarding pass there, but it's no biggie. Trevor was the one last time we flew out, so they got checked. But are you looking forward to your first on-property visit?
Yeah, I am.
I can't wait.
I'm looking forward to not getting searched at the airport this time as well.
Well, you probably will. So, yeah, we're going to check in, and then we were going to book a lounge, because usually we would stay in an overnight hotel, but because our flight's not till 12:05, we were going to book a lounge at Heathrow as a little treat, but they all look really nasty, and because we're not flying like business class or anything, we can't get into the airline lounges. It would be like something like My Lounge, one of
It
those.
sounded a good idea, but then we looked at what they were eating
Yeah.
offering food-wise.
Yeah,
it's
it
like
just,
a buffet, like you go to.
but it looked really dry and horrible, and the tables
Master
weren't
juice
cleared.
buffet,
Yeah, tables weren't cleared, and it just didn't look nice. So
If you went to somebody's 21st party and they had a
Yeah.
cheap buffet, that's kind of
Yeah. So we decided to go against that. I looked, and I think the Pilot's Lounge at Heathrow does a really nice breakfast, and we'll probably only spend half the money, because the lounge was 100 quid for the three of us. So yeah, we're all just nervously waiting. We're going to leave at 7 because we've got the meet and greet at 8.
What meet and greet?
They take our car and they park our car and then they bring it back to us. So yeah, we will see you at the airport when we're all checked in. I've not been to Heathrow, not since I was little. Right, British Airways down there. Come to the Pilot's Bar and Kitchen. I'd already had a look online and really fancied the Eggs Benedict. We're going to grab some breakfast. It is 9:46 and we board at 11:05. Have a look around the shops.
Look at the chicken.
Mason hasn't put his phone down. You're going to have pancakes?
Find a chicken.
Lovely. Oh, this is really badly backlit. That's better. We just had breakfast.
Look.
Now Mason's playing with his AI. He's got his phone. He's already had to use some of my power bank to run his phone down. So it is 10:34 and we board in half an hour. And we're gate B36. So we're going to take a wander, have a look at a few shops, and then head down to the gate. So it won't be long now.
You know that I can't seem to focus when
It's like underground. It's picking up speed now. Woo! It's like being on a Disney ride already.
Test track just before you come out.
Yeah. It's fine. sweet is nice. Shut the lid down. We did that last time we went to America for him.
Isn't it aeroplane?
Don't know, is it?
It's used for airplane.
Airplane, isn't it?
It's aeroplane, isn't it?
I don't know. There it is.
Why don't we have to have this like big tube?
To come out to the
I've never played this part where I have to. You got my passport in your hand.
you just need to see them.
28.
ABC or HJK?
E something.
Middle row.
Yeah, so is it DEF or?
Yeah, that's it.
So, absolutely. So 2 down this first aisle, 1 down the second aisle will be easier.
Lovely,
easiest
thank
option
you.
for you.
Oh, thank you.
You two go that, you go that way, you two that way.
Right, let's do this way.
Nice one.
No,
Hey, are you a vlogger?
I am. So we're going down. Look.
Why
We're
is
starting our descent now.
Why is the window not like?
You won't see it because it's up in the sky, so you won't notice it.
Oh, like it goes down like that.
Yeah, you won't really notice it, only by that. It might get a little bit bumpy as we go down.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Exciting, we're so close now. Everyone was laughing because the snack that we got was
Really out of focus.
I know it keeps going out of focus. The snack that we got, we used to get a nice afternoon tea, but the snack that we got is half a sandwich and half a Kit Kat each.
Guys, when we land, don't slow it.
Mason has been so good on this flight, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Like, he's
Why
been,
am I the only one that's sensed by the camera?
I don't know, he's been such a grown up, so with his mask and everything.
I am a grown up. Now the cops are on me. Oh.
Right, we'll see you on the other side. We are here. It is 23:14 UK time. Been up since 4 AM. We've probably got another 3 hours or 4 hours up, but we're finally here. Yay! The journey was took off on time, well 20 minutes late. Arrived on time.
We took up on time, 20 minutes late.
20 minutes late. And we're actually here. I can't quite believe it. Look.
That boy's beautiful over there.
Got the fountains.
Orlando.
And we got the new Disney wall that changes all the time.
That was fine.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. I'm just watching the Disney wall change. There's that Tower of Terror that you don't want to go on. Animal Kingdom. Oh my god. Near transportation, and it's where the old Disney transport used to be, the Magical Express. So we're going to head down there now.
Right, let's go.
Put your sunnies on. Mason's got some designer mirrors, sunglasses. Very cool.
Flippers.
basically we were first stop on the Mears transportation. We only just made it. Our driver was a bit gas heavy, wasn't he? All the other cars were braking and he was still speeding up. I was like, oh my god, I've got all the way here, I'm going to die on the Mears shuttle. Yeah, I'll get one in a minute, mate. Right, I'm going to get checked in. We're knackered. So we are in the 90 section. And we've got the pool over there, we've got the computer pool right by us. We're a little away from reception, but we don't mind that. Here we are.
Got a little fridge.
We've got a little fridge. And there, coffee machine with 50th anniversary coffee. You're coming home with me. Got Disney TV on. So we've got the beds, and then we've got the pull-out beds. I forget what you call them now.
It's a Murphy bed.
Oh, that's it, a Murphy bed. Nice Mickey above there.
That's your bed there, mate. That's called a Murphy bed.
Hanging room.
And then there's a massive
Oh, where's the light? Is it in here? I think it's in here. Oh my god, that light's really bad when I'm this tired. Oh my god. So we've got that single vanity unit, dining board. Oh, we've got a nice walk-in shower with the H2O products.
Faucet, urinal.
This light is very bright. Loads of storage in here. Loads of storage. What's under here? Oh, the safe. An in-room safe. Spare pillow. Spare pillow.
Right, you ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Go!
This is my bed, guys. Good bed.
That's enormous, look.
Oh, idiots, I got this bed. It's
Gets it all to himself. Oh my god,
It's
look.
so cozy.
I hope it doesn't flip up in the night.
Where's Mason?
Where's Mason gone?
In the cupboard.
So, oh my god, look how tired I look.
Is this like
So, we are going to get settled in. We'll probably go down and get ourselves a drink because I'm really thirsty. And
I'm really tired, but I'm also
get
really
our
tired.
refillable cups as well. And yeah, just going to go down.